Hey there, I'm Jenna Gaidusek. I'm the founder and CEO here at AI for Interior Designers, and I also have my own firm, Jenna Gaidusek Designs. So I have a very highly requested service that I'm now releasing to you guys publicly because basically I've just been sharing this through DMs for the past couple of months. And basically what it is a highly tailored 2 hours of intensive AI training. This is either for if you're a solopreneur and want to invite another solopreneur designer friend that is in the same industry, you can do that. Or it's for your design firm to train your employees too. Okay. So this is 2 hours. I will evaluate what your business goals are and how you operate right now. And then basically show you all of these different AI tools, techniques, programs, and different advancements that might be beneficial to you and how you operate in your design business. So these are little things that you could outsource to your team or that you might want to do yourself. Everything here is to help you to elevate what you're doing in your firm and get to that next level where you can take more things off your plate and get more time, or you can fill that time with, creating more content, filling your pipeline, creating things that you just have wanted to do for a very long time but haven't had the time to do. So my goal is to sit down, have a very intense training session with you and your team or your design friend, just one. And we will go through all of your needs and then we will create solutions for them using the tools in AI. Okay, so if you want to get started, I would highly recommend that you get on the calendar now. It does book up very quickly. Okay, I really look forward to meeting you, your team, or your designer friend during this session. All right, I'll talk to you later.